This is Activity 4.3 on page 90, Watching and Evaluating Formulas. We have the My Employees workbook open. After tracing the precedence and dependence of the various formulas, you wish to try out the Watch window and to see how Excel evaluates the formulas you've created. To see what happens, you decide to delete the employee ID you entered earlier, which will create errors in some of your formulas. Number 1, add watches to several cells. We're going to go up to the Formulas tab on our ribbon, and in our Formula Auditing command group, we're going to select our Watch Window command. So this opens up our Watch window. You can keep it as a floating pane, or you can drop it into place up top above your worksheet, whichever you prefer. And in our Watch window, we're going to select Add Watch. In our dialog box, in the Select the cells you would like to watch the value of, we're going to select cell F2 and click Add. So that adds it to our list. We're going to add watch again, and we're going to select the range B2 through B7 and click Add as well. So all of those have been individually added to our watch window now. Number 2, observe the changes to the watch window after deleting the employee ID in cell B1. So we're going to go to cell B1. We're going to delete the contents of that and observe the watch window updates, the values of the cells being watched. So now we get an NA error for all of those cells. Obviously we can see it on screen, but it does help if they're on different worksheets. So it will update here as well. In cell B1, we're now going to enter 1023, and as I press enter, take a look at the watch window and see how that updates. All right, we can close out our watch window. And number 3, we're going to evaluate the formula in cell F2. We're going to select cell F2, and from our Formulas tab in our Formula Auditing group, we're going to select Evaluate Formula. And in our dialog box, we're going to click on Step In. So you can see, remember that it's going to first evaluate whatever is underlined. So this is cell B1, which has a value of 1023 right now. So we're going to click Evaluate. It enters that in there for us. Now it has the named range of data, which is the range A9 through F59. So now it's going to evaluate the whole VLOOKUP function. Evaluate that, and that returns customer service. Now we're going to step out. So it has entered the customer service in that nested function for us, and now it's going to evaluate salary. Now it has moved on to the average if function. We can evaluate that. And now, lastly, it's going to evaluate the whole entire if error because it has stepped into all of the particular arguments of that function. So we can evaluate once more, which gives us the value $50,139.78. All right, we can close out of our Evaluate Formula dialog box, go up to our Quick Access toolbar and save our updates. and we can close out of the My Employees Workbook as this is the last activity in this chapter.